So first off, we are going to open our browser and go to Prezi.com. So I've already kind of logged in, but I'll show you from the beginning what you need to do to start with Prezi. So this is the main page, and if you don't already have a login, you'll just click on this button right here. If you're new, you're going to hit Get Started. And today we're going to be using the free package that they have to offer, but they have tons of other different kind of presentations that you can do with cool features. But you would hit the free one, Continue. And then you just put all your information in and then agree to the terms. And if you are a student, you can put in your student information here and it'll be free for a year. But since I already have a login, just go ahead and log in. And then as you can see from the internet, you can go ahead and click on New Prezi, and then all your ones before will be saved in here. I did take the pleasure in downloading the one for Mac, and I'm going to go ahead and switch over to that one. It's going to be the same setup, nothing different. So here's the Mac way. So I'm going to hit New Prezi right here. It's going to open up a new window where you get to choose your own template, and you can type in different themes that you want to do, or pretty much anything that you're looking for. But they have really cool popular lists and then recently used between people. I'm going to say I'm a student that's doing a presentation on, let's say, the solar system or something crazy like that. I'm going to hit Orbit and I'm going to say Use Template. And it's going to load up the template for you, and it's going to be pretty much a guided way of just filling in all the blanks for your slides. So right here it says to click to add title. So we'll just say, okay, solar system. And right here it does show different editing for the title. So you can change the color, the background color there. You can change the color of the font. We can make it yellow. We can make this bigger. And then we can also make it centered. Whatever you choose to do. I'm going to move this over. And as you can see, you can kind of move around your presentation with the mouse if you hold it down, if you want to just kind of venture around. But that's pretty much, that's going to be our first slide, is kind of the title of our presentation, which it should be. And then to go to your next slide, you're going to hit the slide number 2 on the left-hand side. Here we are, I'm going to show you how to insert an image. So you're going to go at the top of the screen, and you're going to hit Insert, and then you're going to go down to Image. And you can either select files from your computer that you've already saved or that you've taken pictures of, or you can go ahead and just Google some pictures online, which I'm going to show you is really cool. Solar system and search. And you'll just double click on the picture once these load. But I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. I don't know why it's taking so long. But if you change your mind, you don't want to insert a picture, you just click this X to get out of it. I don't know why this is taking so long. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so it puts in a picture, and you can make it bigger by just double click on it. Whoops, sorry. And these little white boxes on the side, you can just enlarge the picture here. We can move this up. So we just have an image here. And if we want to add anything, any words, you're just going to double click on the image anywhere. And you'll just type in, you know, some random facts about your presentation, your Prezi. And you can put it on the picture if you want, whatever you choose to do, but you can be creative with it. Okay, so let's go to our next slide since we have the image there. I'm going to show you how to insert a YouTube video now. So you're going to hit insert at the top of the screen, and then you're going to go down to YouTube video, and you're going to paste a YouTube link in here. I already set up a YouTube tab, and I already knew that I wanted to do a solar system theme for children. So we'll do search. And I picked this one. It's really cute. Solar system song, facts. And you're going to go to share, the bottom of the YouTube video. And this right here that's already highlighted, that's the link that you're going to put into your Prezi. If you're using a Mac, you'll do Command-C and then right-click if you have any other computer and just copy. And then we'll go back over here and Command-V or paste. And you're going to insert. Same thing, use the little boxes on the sides to enlarge if you like, or you can make it smaller, whatever you choose to do. And there's your YouTube video in your presentation. And then once again, like you can add little information titles at the top. So we can make a title or something and put video insert. Awesome. Okay, we can go to our fourth one, and I'm just going to show you some really fun things that you can add to your Prezi that makes things a little more vibrant, more just fun. So I'm going to go up to frames and arrows, and I'm going to first show you that we can put in a bracket frame, or a circle frame, or a rectangle frame, or an invisible frame, which means that you can add a slide within a slide. So I'm going to show you with a bracket. So since we're in slide 4, I can make a slide within that slide. So as you can see, it added an extra slide. And I'm going to type in here, oh, I don't know, side facts. Okay, about the solar system that you wanted to add to slide 4. And then I'll show you that you can also draw really cool arrows. So let's say, okay, I want to make a point that slide 5 is actually really important, and you can make a slide and you can change the color, make it thinner, bigger, change the color, whatever you prefer. And then I'm also going to show that you can draw a line. We can draw a line. And again, you can make it thinner, bigger, different color. And then also under frames and arrows, you can do a highlighter, which I thought was really cool. Just go over any words or anything that you want to be made known that this is an important fact. Okay. And then overall, I'm just going to show you, I'm going to click out of that. I'm going to go ahead and just show you from the beginning how the path will look. So I'm going to go ahead and start the presentation. It's going to start, and then we can go to the next slide. There's our image, YouTube video that people can click and play, and then our fun side facts and where highlighted words and things that are underlined. And then it zooms into our 5th slide that we added in to make it a point that this is important. Okay, let me just hit escape. If by chance you don't like the order of your path, you can see here that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you wanted to, okay, let's say I actually want to make this one the second one, and then make this the third one over here. We can, or we can move the story, to this, to that. So you can completely reset it. You can go, okay, I want this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, awesome. And you can always undo stuff at the top left corner, undo, redo. And that's kind of our home page there. Can make that 7, whatever you choose to do. But we can just go home and be done. And then to share it, you can export it as a PDF, export it as a portable Prezi onto your USB or something. Completely up to you. But that is pretty much it. And you can choose different color themes, whatever you choose. But really creative stuff that you can do on here, and you can make it your own, even though you're using an already preset template. You can customize it to make it your own. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.